pork chop.
Yo, what up, Doug? I was trying to figure out how to boost my swag, but I just couldn't figure out how, so I was wondering, as yo, dog, D-A-W-G, can you teach me how to Dougie?
How do you Dougie?
You said that's pork chop, let's get a honky burger. Honk honk! Nah, let's Dougie.
Hey, hey, teach me how to Dougie, hey. They be like, Smooth, what? Can you teach me how to Dougie? You know why? Cause all the girls love me, hey. All I need is a beat that's super bumpin', and for you to back it up and dump it. Get it. Put your arms out front, lean side to side. They gon' be on you when they see you hit that Dougie ride. Ain't nobody getting with my bro from on the side. He go by Bubba and he hit that death like thunder. Okay, I ain't from Dallas, but I deep town boogie. Yep. I show my moves off to everybody trying to do me. I lead the functions and all the ladies trying to screw me. Now you just do you, and I'ma do me all day. Dudes love to hate,